Welcome to 22 Hing Street, Kingsford.
A totally original 3-bedroom home awaiting complete renovation.
We've got the plumber and we've got the electrician.
Archie, did he say now?
Yeah.
We've even got the builder.
As we said, we've got the tradies, now we're just looking for the lucky buyer.
Another fantastic property brought to you by Rain and Horn Maroubra,
Archibald Wadsworth,
Paul Spanadakis, and our team of tradies. We look forward to seeing you at one of our open homes.